In many rural homes, heating still depends on oil, a fuel that's costly, polluting, and increasingly unpredictable. But across the countryside, things are changing. More homeowners are switching to modern renewable systems. With improved insulation, homes lose far less heat, meaning they stay warmer for less. Heat pumps replace oil boilers with clean, efficient technology that delivers 3 to 4 units of heat for every unit of electricity. And rooftop solar lets you generate your own power, cutting bills and reducing your reliance on delivered fuel. The result? Warmer homes, lower bills, and a cleaner countryside for generations to come. For rural off-gas properties, moving from oil to renewables isn't just greener, it's the smarter way to heat your home. Contact Fairway Energy today and start enjoying your renewable energy future with a 100% free government-backed home energy grant. Fairway Energy, warmer home, lower bills,